Ladies and gentlemen, this match, one fall with a 10-minute time limit. Introducing first, from Tampa, Florida, weighing 240 pounds, Terry Gibbs. His opponent, now about to approach the ring area, from Venice Beach, California, weighing 302 pounds, the World Wrestling Federation champion, the Incredible Hulk Hogan.
WWF Heavyweight Champion, the one and only. There he is. The man who packs him in wherever he goes.
Creates nothing but excitement when he walks into a building.
Hulk Hogan, your WWF Heavyweight Champion.
You know,
Terry Gibbs.
The man's over 300 pounds, not 1 ounce of fat on him, Jack.
A very dedicated man, not only in the ring, but out of the ring as well.
He carries that championship belt with high esteem.
Now, what's this? Wait a minute here.
Maybe Luscious Johnny's on a scouting
What's Valiant and Beefcake doing out here?
What are you doing here?
Yeah, we'll make sure. Hulk Hogan applying a side headlock right now on Terry Gibbs, and he's got quite a tremendous audience in attendance, including Brutus Beefcake and his manager, Luscious Johnny Valiant.
He does everything with so much excitement and charisma.
Hogan pulling his opponent.
And Terry Gibbs is a very formidable opponent, I might say.
Side headlock being applied by the Hulkster. Hulkamania.
Look at under those powerful pythons. He's got that head. I guess Hulk was a little worried about Luscious Johnny and Beefcake.
Terry Gibbs with a couple of right hands catching Hogan as Hogan was backing away on the break. On John Bonello's break.
Right between the break.
Sure did.
Right behind the referee's back.
Gibbs right now with a double fist to the back. Now to the sternum area.
He better cover Hulk Hogan.
Listen to the tremendous throng.
Yelling
Hulk.
Hulk.
Gibbs right now trying for a press. Nothing doing. Uh-oh. Gibbs pounding away. Hollering obscenities at Hogan. Here comes Hogan back now. With a left-right combination and a whip. Oh, and he caught him good. Oh, he caught him perfect. Gibbs is down.
Everything's going Hulk's way right now.
He caught him coming off the neutral corner.
Oh, boy, that'll
Press. 3 count.
That's all.
Boy, when you talk about excitement, when you talk about action, the World Wrestling Federation Heavyweight Champion, Hulk Hogan, that's his middle name, Mr. Excitement.
Boy, a man with 22-inch arms and probably about a 32, 33-inch waist. What a epitome of an athlete.
Right now, let's go up to the ring and get the official decision.
The winner of the match, the World Wrestling Federation champion, the Incredible Hulk Hogan.
There's your champion, ladies and gentlemen. What a champion he is. Hulk Hogan. This is Jack Reynolds along with Angelo Mosca. We'll be back with more.